It's a new day. It's new blessings. We give all praise to the Most High. Man. Let's get it. Today's date is January 7th, 2026. And before we get started on the trade recap, first we are gonna do verse of the day, like always. And verse of the day is Isaiah 60, verse 1. Arise, shine, for your light has come, and the glory of the Lord is risen upon you. So let's get started. I blew my first account in 2026. Now, if I would have told myself this about a year ago, I would have been tripping. Like, for me, bro, be real with you, I really don't care. It's just part of my process, part of my setup. I'm fine with blowing the account. So I really took 2 trades today, and I'll show you the metrics right here. But before I even get started on the trade recap and why I took these trades, first we start up on the higher time frames. Going into today, I was actually bullish today. Why? Well, because you noticed yesterday we closed above one day's high and we closed above previous week's high. So actually no, previous week's Friday's high. And we also had a clear draw on liquidity, and we also had previous week's highs, both draws on liquidity. So I'm thinking, okay, we're probably gonna target those highs. And we go on a 4-hour time frame. Price is respecting these precision swing points. We completely feel this big old BPR right here. And if y'all don't know what a BPR is, it's basically a balanced price range. So basically think of a fair value gap, way big. That's what a BPR is. And yeah, bro, we're just respecting these high time frame PD rates. We're even respecting order blocks. And I'm gonna be real with you, I rarely ever use order blocks since I do trade quarterly 3. I mainly use precision swing points. And basically, if y'all don't know what precision swing points, it is a concept from quarterly 3. Shout out to Dai. They basically are order blocks. They basically confirm failure swings. So going into the market today, we did have an AMDX model. So price accumulated right here at Asia session. Then as soon as we went to London session, we continue to manipulate. Then I wanted to see price distribute going into New York, and we did exactly just that. And so I'm gonna just go back right here, pull this out. So I'm thinking, cool, we already swept one of our objectives today, which was previous day's highs. We also had previous week's highs, but we had a big, no homo, big monthly or weekly, if I'm not mistaken, sequential SMT right here after sweeping previous day's highs. And usually I like to wait for a lower time frame sequential SMT, but I'm gonna put y'all on game right here. We have formed that weekly. I'm pretty sure it's a weekly cycle sequential SMT if I'm not mistaken. It's either a monthly cycle, so that's even way higher confluence. Had a monthly cycle, higher time frame sequential SMT formed in the new week opening gap. So this made me think like, all right, bet we definitely gonna reverse. My draw on liquidity was this first presented fair value gap that was formed on Wednesday, or I could have targeted this fair value gap on the 5-minute time frame. So we got the change in the state delivery, which confirmed the higher time frame sequential SMT. Take this off real quick. I enter off the TCISD right here, targeting first presented gap. And I eventually got stopped out, which I'm not mad. We had manipulation. We had a sweep over external liquidity. We had a high time frame sequential SMT, and we also had that high time frame sequential SMT form in a new week opening gap, which made the setup valid. And we had a TCISD to confirm the sequential SMT, and the entry was taken above 90-minute true cycle open and true session open, which basically means I'm in the premium. And if I'm not mistaken, we also had a 4-hour precision swing point. Let's mark this out real quick. 4-hour precision swing point that was formed inside of it at the constant encroachment. right here, or basically damn near. Yep. At the constant encroachment right here. So we had it form the constant encroachment high time frame Peter Ray inside of a new week opening gap with the monthly cycle sequential SMT after sweeping a previous day's highs. Cool. I'm gonna take that 10 out of 10 times. That's an A plus setup in my eyes. And we had very well managed risk. I'm not mad at it. Cool. We had it. Whatever. So after getting swept out, we then I didn't want to wait because we did have news at 10 a.m. Show y'all right here. Yeah, so we had 8:15 news. Then we also had 10 a.m. red folder news, and so I wanted to wait what price was gonna do. Even then when I was in this trade, I was probably gonna move my stop loss to break even either way before red folder news hits, because I never recommend y'all to hold a trade going into a high impact news. That's just basically gambling. And I could have answered off right here, but I don't want to form these bad habits, so I just didn't answer. Then, bam. Again, same criteria from before. We had a monthly cycle sequential SMT formed in the new week opening gap, and we had that 4-hour persistent swing point right there, sweeping previous day's highs. Cool. I'm not bad. We got the TCISD off this last bullish candle after the sequential SMT was formed. We had the change in the state. Then we had a fair value gap, and really this is a silver bullet as well because it's the first fair value gap formed at the 10 a.m. Cool. Above true opens. I'm waiting for the price to give me an entry above here at the constant encroachment of that SMT fill. If y'all don't know what an SMT fill is, basically to give a quick rundown, basically after a sequential SMT or SMT gets formed, that first fair value gap that gets formed afterwards is very high probability. You always want to target that as an entry. So I did that. So that would be an SMT fill because price fills in that fair value gap after the SMT is formed. Got it, cool. Targeting 250 ticks. And yeah, we eventually got stopped out quick. Price was, I put my stop loss right here, cause 1, 2, 3, at the highest wick of that 3 formation fair value gap. Got stopped out, and yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. Why I got stopped out in this trade? Well, we go to the 15-minute time frame. Price did fill in this 15-minute fair value gap, which makes sense. And we still had that drawn liquidity, which was previous week's highs. And we also have all-time highs right here, if I'm not mistaken. And so, yeah, we eventually did got stopped out, but not mad at it. Both good trades in my eyes. I would definitely take those again. Maybe some things I need to work on is just seeing how price is reacting off of these PD rates. If I were to look at this 15-minute time frame and see how price was reacting off this 15-minute fair value gap after sweeping previous day's highs, if price is respecting, like, because we're in a bullish structure, or price is respecting bullish PD rates, they were most likely to continue just to target a higher time frame bullish drawn liquidity. So just gotta keep in mind of these PD rates. And when I say like I have a bias, I'm gonna stick to it obviously, but I'm very like flexible about it. Just because I'm bullish don't mean I'm gonna only take buys, and just because I'm bearish, I'm gonna only take sales. I'm gonna give what price is showing me, and if I see my model form, I'm gonna take it 10 out of 10 times, because I gotta trust in this model in my life, and y'all should be doing the same with your own strategy, with your own confluence, because something I had to work on. So I was very scared to take my own setup, but the only way you get confidence in taking your setup is by backtesting, journaling, getting data on your setup. So even though I got stopped out, it's whatever. And honestly, bro, I didn't even lose $1,000. I know that's gonna be the title of this video, but I didn't. I took 2 trades today, and I took a third one just because I had like $400 left on the account, and I'm not gonna like sit here and try to play like. I'm not gonna sit here and try to milk this account if it's about to get blown out. So I'm gonna just show y'all the account stats right there. If it wants to show me, this is the account I blew today. So I'm trying to see the metrics on it, but it's not letting me show y'all my setup. But I'll promise y'all, like, oh, there it goes. Yeah, so this was my first entry. So this was the one right here. First trade, lost 215, whatever. Second trade, lost 425 after the Red 40 news, whatever. Then only had like $400 to blow the account. So I'm like, it's whatever. I'm gonna blow it either way. Took it, whatever. I still have another account on Alpha right here. And y'all can see it right here. Failed. It's whatever. So again, I appreciate y'all for tapping in with me. Um, Let me know in the comments. Did y'all take a win today? Did y'all take a loss? What was y'all's bias? What are some things y'all give me feedback, man? Like what are some things I should be doing? Maybe I'm tripping. Maybe I should have done this at a specific time. Let me know. I'm all here for feedback. I'm not gonna I guess get like emotional if someone tells me that something I need to hear. I'm all for it. But again, I appreciate y'all for tapping in with me. And make sure y'all have a good day. Be productive with the time that God has given you. And yeah, man, I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.